Welcome to the vibrant city of New York. Get ready to explore the iconic landmarks, experience the bustling streets, and immerse yourself in the rich culture and history of the Big Apple. Start your journey in Times Square, the heart of New York City. Marvel at the dazzling billboards, feel the energy of the bustling crowds, and witness the vibrant atmosphere that never sleeps. Take a stroll through Central Park, a peaceful oasis in the midst of the concrete jungle. Admire the lush greenery, enjoy a picnic by the lake, and witness the beauty of nature in the heart of the city. Explore the world-famous museums of New York City. From the Metropolitan Museum of Art to the Museum of Modern Art, indulge in the diverse range of artistic masterpieces that will captivate your imagination. Indulge in the culinary delights of New York. From mouth-watering street food to Michelin-starred restaurants, satisfy your taste buds with a diverse array of flavors from around the world. Experience the thrill of Broadway, the world-renowned theater district. Be mesmerized by captivating performances, dazzling costumes, and unforgettable stories that will leave you in awe. Discover the architectural wonders of New York City. From the towering Empire State Building to the majestic Brooklyn Bridge, witness the iconic structures that define the city's skyline. End your journey with a breathtaking view from the top of the Rock Observation Deck. Witness the panoramic vistas of the city that never fails to leave visitors in awe.